Good morning, children. We have to study about rise of British political supremacy. Rise of British political supremacy. Rise of British political supremacy. About this we have learned. Rise of British political supremacy. We are for the last 3 days we have been studying about rise of British political supremacy. Now we will learn Second Carnatic War. Last day we studied about First Carnatic War. Now we have to learn about Second Carnatic War. We will learn or we will study about Second Carnatic War. In the land of Arcot, succession war took place between Chanda Sahib and Anwarudin. What is the meaning of succession war? I have told you several times. Succession war took place between Chanda Sahib and Anwarudin. Succession war. Succession war took place or succession war was going on between Chanda Sahib and Anwarudin in the land of Arcot. What is succession war? After the death of a king, quarrel will happen between the relatives of the dead person to become the king of that particular area. That is known as succession war. Succession war took place in the land of Arcot between Chanda Sahib and Anwarudin. Succession war took place. In the succession war, French people and English people decided to help them. Then what happened? In Hyderabad also, in the land of Hyderabad also, succession war was going on in the land of Hyderabad also between Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung. Then British people and French people joined in two sides. French people killed Anwarudin in Karnataka. And Anwarudin's son Muhammad Ali, out of fear, escaped with Trichinapalli in Tamil Nadu. And French people appointed Muzaffar Jung in Hyderabad as the Nawab. Then, after some time, Muzaffar Jung was killed by his enemies. French people appointed Salabab Jung. French people appointed Salabab Jung as the next Nawab of Hyderabad. They appointed Salabab Jung as the next Nawab of Hyderabad. During this time, French people also were planning to exert their influence in Carnatic and Hyderabad. French people, English people. First of all, French people appointed two people in two different places. Now, English people were waiting for a chance to restore old Nawabs into Arcot and Hyderabad. English people during this time came to Arcot with a powerful army. English people came to the land of Arcot with a very, very powerful army. They appointed Muhammad Ali as Nawab of Hyderabad, Nawab of Arcot. What actually happened to Muhammad Ali? That I had told you now itself. Muhammad Ali. What actually happened to Muhammad Ali? Out of fear, Muhammad Ali was living in Trichinapalli. But English people killed Chanda Sahib. He was a Nawab of which place? Arcot. French people had killed Muhammad Ali's father, Anwarudin. And by seeing the death of the father, Muhammad Ali went to Trichinopoli. And English people or British people appointed. English people or British people appointed Muhammad Ali as the next Nawab of Arcot by killing the then Nawab known as Sardar. Then what happened? He became Nawab of which place? He became a Nawab of Arcot. During this time, French government became angry on Dupleix. Dupleix was the French governor of India during this time. French government told that during the time of Second Carnatic War, French government spent huge amount of money in the land of India. This was the idea or this was the opinion of French government. So French government told that we will not spend more money in the land of India for attacking and defeating the English people. So French government asked Dupleix to come back to the land of France. During 1754 period, Treaty of Pondicherry happened between French people and English people. According to the Treaty of Pondicherry, what happened? According to the Treaty of Pondicherry, what happened actually? According to the Treaty of Pondicherry, Second Carnatic War came to an end. What were the results of Second Carnatic War that we have seen? What happened as a result or as a consequence of Second Carnatic War? Then, during the time of First Carnatic War, last time we studied, during the time of First Carnatic War, French people succeeded over the English people, but during the time of Second Carnatic War, French people really failed. During the beginning of Second Carnatic War, French people made some upper hand, but what happened? Towards the end of Second Carnatic War, French people failed. Then another result of Second Carnatic War was that towards the end of Second Carnatic War, India as a nation saw or witnessed the victory of English people. They saw the victory of English people during this time. They witnessed or they saw the victory of English people in the land of India. So during the time of Second Carnatic War, French people failed to a great extent. The power and prestige and status of the French people began to decline during the time of Second Carnatic War. But towards the end of Second Carnatic War, English power began to increase during this particular time. Then, Third Carnatic War. What was the speciality of Third Carnatic War that we have to think? What is there with the Third Carnatic War? During 1756 period, what happened? During 1756 period, 7 years war took place in the land of Europe. 7 years war between the French people and English people. 7 years war. 7 years war means that war continued for 7 years in the land of Europe between French people and English people. And in the land of India also, French people and English people were there. So, as a consequence of 7 Years' war took place in the land of India between French people and English people. Sir Irefoot was the military leader of the English people, and Comte de Lange was the military leader or commander of the French people in India. In a place known as Wandy Wash, French people and English people began to face a war. Wandy Wash in the place of Pondicherry. In the beginning, French people had an upper hand in the war. In the beginning, French military was very powerful. So, all the people believed that. All the people believed that French people will defeat the English people. All the people really believed that French people will defeat the English people. That was a belief of the people of India. But in Pondicherry, Sir Irefoot defeated Comte de Lange's French army. And English people had a powerful navy also. Because they had a powerful army and navy. English people defeated whom? English people defeated the French people. French failed during the time of Third Carnatic War. Third Carnatic War came to an end according to the Paris Agreement. Third Carnatic War came to an end according to the Paris Treaty or according to the Paris Agreement. Then what happened? As a result of Paris Agreement, French people lost everything to the British people. What were the results of Third Carnatic War that we are studying? What were the results of Third Carnatic War? As a result of Third Carnatic War, the prestige and power of French people in India was restored. The prestige and power of French people in the land of India was restored as a result of which one? As a result of Third Carnatic War. During the time of Third Carnatic War, French army and navy was fully destroyed by English army and navy. The power of French people in India was restored as a result of Third Carnatic War. Then, during the time of Third Carnatic War, British people became the most powerful people of India. British people. For the remaining years, up to 1947, it was the British people who ruled over the land of India. So, as a result of Third Carnatic War, the most important enemy of the French people, that is English people, became victorious over India. They became victorious over the land of India. They became victorious over the land of India. French people, English people. That means with the failure of French people in India, with the failure of French people in India, what happened? With the failure of French people in India, English people became more powerful in the land of India. Nobody was there to challenge the English people in the land of India. So up to 1947, we the people of India suffered only because of English people. Again, we will study once more this one. Dear children, once more I will repeat the same topic once more. Dear people or dear children, I will repeat this one once more. I will repeat this topic once more. We will repeat the topic once more. Second Carnatic War. Last day we studied about first Carnatic War. Last day we clearly studied about first Carnatic War. Now we have to learn about second Carnatic War. What is the meaning of second Carnatic War? We have to know now. Second Carnatic War. In the land of Arcot, what was that? In the land of Arcot, succession war was going on. What is the meaning of succession war? I had told you several times. After the death of a king, the king's sons or relatives will fight in order to become the next king. Such a type of a war is known as succession war. In the land of Arcot, what happened? In the land of Arcot, succession war was going on between Chandasahi and Anvodi. Both of them began to fight to become the next Nawab of Karnataka. During this time, British people and French people were exerting their influence over different parts of India by any way or by any method. By any way or by any method, English and French people were exerting their influence over different parts of India. Then, in Hyderabad also succession war was going on. In Hyderabad. In the land of Hyderabad, succession war was also going on during this time between Nasir Jan and Muzaffar Jan. Both of them were fighting to become the Nawab of Bengal. Nawab of Hyderabad. Nasir Jan and Muzaffar Jan were fighting to become the Nawab of Hyderabad. Then, the first road was for French people. First road. The first road was there for the French people. French people came to Karnataka. First of all, they came to Karnataka. During this time, the military, that means during this time, the army and navy of French people were very powerful. During this particular time, the army and navy of the French people were very powerful. Army and navy. They came to Karnataka. They killed Anwaruddin. Anwaruddin and Chandasahi were fighting. They killed Anwaruddin. Then what happened? After seeing the death of the father, Anwaruddin's son Muhammad Ali escaped to Trichinopalli in Tamil Nadu. He lived there. And French people made Chandasahi as the Nawab of Arcot. There was no one or there was nobody to challenge him. French people. They killed, French people killed Anwaruddin and appointed Chandasahi was the next Nawab of which place? Arcot. Only one enemy of the French people, Muhammad Ali, son of Anwaruddin, escaped to Trichinopalli out of fear. He lived in Trichinopalli. Then, in the land of Hyderabad, British people appointed Muzaffar Jan as the next Nawab. In Hyderabad, war was there between Muzaffar Jan and Nasir Jan. They appointed Muzaffar Jan as the Nawab of Hyderabad. Then, after some time, the enemies of Muzaffar Jan killed Muzaffar. After some time, the enemies of Muzaffar killed Muzaffar. Then French people appointed Salabat Jung. French people appointed Salabat Jung as the next Nawab of Hyderabad. Now, up to this time, who was victorious? Up to this time, the French people was victorious. Up to this time, the French people was victorious. Now, it became the turn of English people. Now, English people decided to interfere in the matters of Arcot and Hyderabad. English people decided to interfere in the matters or in the affairs of Arcot and Hyderabad. Robert Clive was the military leader of the British people during this time. Robert Clive was the military leader of the British people during this particular time. Robert Clive was the military leader of the British people during this particular time. Robert Clive. He went to Tiruchirappalli and attacked Tiruchirappalli and released Muhammad Ali from there. Who was Muhammad Ali nowadays told? Muhammad Ali was a son of Anwar. Muhammad Ali was a son of Anwar. British people released Muhammad Ali from Arcot and they killed whom? Chanda Sahib. Chanda Sahib was the Nawab of Arcot during this time. Chanda Sahib became Nawab of Arcot with the support of whom? With the support of the French people. But Robert Clive was very intelligent. He killed Chanda Sahib and appointed Muhammad Ali as a Nawab of Arcot. Then again, in Hyderabad, what was that? British people appointed Nasir Jung as a Nawab of Hyderabad. So, in the beginning of Second Carnatic War, who won? In the beginning of Second Carnatic War, French people won the war, but towards the end of Second Carnatic War, it was the British people who won the war. It was the brain of Robert Clive. That provided the English people an upper hand in the Second Carnatic War. During this time, French government understood one thing. What they understood? During this time, French government understood one thing, that what they understood? Dupleix was spending more money in the land of India in the name of Second Carnatic War. So, French government told that they had no time to spend more money to defeat the English people of India. So, French government during this time recalled Dupleix, or during this time French government told that, what they told? During this time French government told Dupleix to come back to the land of France. So, Dupleix was removed from the post of governor of French people in India. During 1754, an agreement or treaty was made between English people and the French people. An agreement was made between the English people and the French people. An agreement. According to that agreement, what happened? Second Carnatic War came to an end. The agreement that took place between French people people and English people after Second Carnatic War was known as War of Pondicherry or Battle of Pondicherry. According to the Pondicherry Treaty, or agreement, Second Carnatic War came to an end. According to the Treaty of Pondicherry, Second Carnatic War came to an end. What were the results of Second Carnatic War? Last day, 2 days before, we studied about the First Carnatic War. In the First Carnatic War, it was the French people who defeated the English people to a great extent. But during the time of Second Carnatic War, French people failed. The power and prestige of French people came to an end as a result of Second Carnatic War. Second result was that it was the brain of Robert Clive. It was the brain of Robert Clive that provided victory to the English people during the time of Second Carnatic War. That provided victory to the English people in the time of Second Carnatic War. During the time of Second Carnatic War, Robert Clive used his brain. Robert Clive defeated the French people by using his abilities. So, as a result of Second Carnatic War, French power declined in the land of India and English people became more powerful in the land of India. Then, Third Carnatic War. Then, during the year 1756 period, 7 years war took place in the land of Europe. Between whom? Between English people and the French people. Between English people and the French people. 7 years war took place in the land of Europe. 7 years war took place in the land of Europe between whom? Between the French people and the English people. 7 years war. 7 years war continued for a long period of 7 years. So, as a result of or as a consequence of 7 years war, what happened in the land of India between French people and the English people? This was known as Third Carnatic War. This was known by the name Third Carnatic War. Third Carnatic War was going on in the land of India during this time. Third Carnatic War was going on in the land of India during this particular time. Third Carnatic War was going on. Then, during this time, both the English people and the French people were powerful in the land of India. Both the English people and the French people were powerful in the land of India. Two people came to India from the land of Europe. Sir Ayscue was the British commander in India. Ayscue. Comte de Lally was the French military leader in the land of India. Comte de Lally. Comte de Lally was the French military leader in the land of India. Comte de Lally. Comte de Lally was the French military leader in the land of India. Ayutthaya was the English military leader in the land of India. Ayutthaya was the English military leader in the land of India, and Comte de Riley was the French military leader in the land of India. Both of them came to the land of India to lead their respective mother countries. Both of them came to the land of India. Both of them came to the land of India to lead their motherland as victorious during the time of Third Carnatic War. Then the army of Ayutthaya and the army of Comte de Riley met in a place known as Vandi Marsh. Vandi Marsh was a place in Pondicherry. Pondicherry is known as the heaven of South India. Pondicherry is known as the heaven of South India. Pondicherry was known as the heaven of South India. In Pondicherry, one place was known as Vandi Marsh. In Vandi Marsh, war took place between French people and English people. But all the people of Vandi Marsh or Pondicherry believed that French people will defeat the English people. That was the belief. But just opposite happened during this particular time. English army was superior to the army of French people, and English navy was superior to the navy of the French people. So that in the Third Carnatic War, what happened? In the Third Carnatic War, what actually happened? In the Third Carnatic War, French people failed miserably before the English people. And Third Carnatic War ended with the Treaty of Paris Agreement. According to Paris Agreement, Third Carnatic War came to an end. Then, what were the results of Third Carnatic War? That we have to think. First of all, towards the end of Third Carnatic War, French people failed miserably. French failure in the land of India. French failure in the land of India was complete. French failure in the land of India was complete as a result of Third Carnatic War. French people lost everything. French people lost everything to the English people, French people. They lost everything to the English people during this particular time. French people were forced to go back from India to other countries. Then, as a result of Third Carnatic War, British supremacy over the land of India became very powerful. As a result of Third Carnatic War, British supremacy over the land of India was unquestionable. That means, towards the end of Third Carnatic War, Indian people understood that there is no one or nobody to challenge the English people in India. Even English people also understood that no one or nobody is there to challenge them in the land of India. As a result of this, for the remaining years up to 1947, India was under the control of the British people. See what I told? The reasons of Third Carnatic War was different from other Carnatic wars. During 1956, 7 years war took place in the land of India, in the land of Europe, between French people and English people. So that In the land of India also, what took place between French people and English people? Ayscue was the military leader of the English people. Comte de Lally was the military leader of the French people. But in the war that took place in the Mandi Wars in Pondicherry, what happened? French people failed in the war. Then, what were the results of the war? As a result of Third Carnatic War, the power and prestige of French people in the land of India came to an end. French people lost all their possessions in the land of India. They were asked to, or they were forced to go back. They were asked to, or they were forced to go back to other countries from India. Final result means, as a result of Third Carnatic War, the power and prestige of English people was accepted by all the rulers of India. So for the remaining years, India was under the control of the English people. So what is that? Dear children, you observe this video. Read the same topic in your textbook. If you do have doubts, you please call me.